Okay. Okay, let me check my email. Performance. Business profile. Board with 38 interactions last night. Hey, how many did go on my website? What my percentage? First 266% call zero. I know. 15 website visits. Ooh, 15 website visits. You know what I'm saying? So I'm talking about players. You know what I'm saying? Play my agent and stuff. Gonna lose and all that. So, but since you don't know, I'll write an email. So we press up here, compose. Compose. See, two. So I'm gonna write to myself. Okay, so I'm gonna write to myself. Subject. And writing to myself. I'll spell check it later. Okay, so we press down there. Subject is what it's about. It's about use the email people to use email to write. Okay, I'm gonna send it to myself. I'll read it later. Did I send it? Can't pause that shit. Let me see if I can. Let's see if it got delivered. So anyways, hold up a second. I can't pause this stupid ass thing. Okay, let me close my email. So you write an email, press the email address, you press compose. You know what I'm saying? You write it in there, send a picture if you want and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Instead of they're just sending all these. Anyways, so that's why the social media is like a billionaire. Because most of you can't write an email, don't know how to write an email. That's why they're a billionaire. You know what I'm saying? Look, with the tie right there. My gosh, X32, F1 So that's why. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, hold up. Let me go up here. Where's my it's up here? That's for my things that shit. I wasn't planning this. I could open this before. And by the time I open up my email. Shit. Anyways, by the time I open it, I want to read my email. I know I was gonna read it later on. Look at this shit. It's just now I'm not gonna open it because. Come on, stop it. Okay. Outlook is my email. Outlook. Now by the time that shit opens up. So anyways, it's probably gonna be a junk mail. But I wanna say like whatever you wanna talk about something, you can write in the email address to a person. What do you put a goddamn look? You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. Put a picture like this. What?